Hi, I'm Richardson. They are my batchmates, L.Manivel and L.Poovarasan. We are final year civil engineering students from VelTech Engineering College, and we are done this project for our final year project. It is titled as the Transportation Hub in Vellore district. And straight away going into the project details. Uh, Vellore is one of the developing city in Tamil Nadu. By 2018, new airport in Abdullahpuram is going to be started 8 kilometers from the city, but no such progress have been made. The city suffers from serious transportation problems from road where traffic is too high in the city center and the railroad connections are not proper, so people on Vellore are suffering a bit. So this project involves in giving an innovative idea of building a transportation hub in the location with its plan, and we conducted traffic service, traffic volume counts, traffic density studies, questionnaire service, and operation and destination studies. And finally, the outcome of our project is a model which representing the airport terminal, car parking, bus station, and rail freight terminal with all of the necessary amenities with its plan design. So, going for the deep brief introduction about Vellore. Vellore is located on the banks of Pala River, northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. So, you have seen in the map. The coordinates are as mentioned in here. The total area covering 87.95 kilometers square, and the elevation is being 216 meters. The population as of census 2011 is 4,23,425. So this is a future population we have calculated for Vellore, and it has been estimated as 50 lakhs and going. So it has been found that in 2051 the population will be as mentioned above. So about Vellore, also going into deep, consists of educational destinations like VIT and CMC Vellore, which is being the two of the top 10 primary education institutions. Vellore is a top exporter of finished leather goods. It results in 37% of the country's export. It is a home for several manufacturing automobile industries. It is one of the top tourist destinations, having more than 15 tourist spots. And it is a it is in the zone to seismic zone, and hence less possibility of earthquake. So the existing transportation in Vellore is consisting of 104 kilometers of roads, and the roads have been mentioned in here. The Vellore has two bus terminals, one is the town bus terminus and central bus terminus, and also the Katpadi junction. You have been having an idea about it, having more than 150 trains crossing daily. So going to the Vellore airport, according to the ICAO, its code is VOVR, and it is owned by Airport Authority of India. The current area occupied by the airport perimeter is 51.5 acres, and the orientation of the runway being 7/25, and the dimensions are 2,600 feet cross 500 feet. The surface is PEM, and the elevation is 164 feet as of Vellore city. So the present picture of Vellore is that no proper connectivity between Katpadi railway station and the down bus stand is being found. Increased population in bus stands showing an overcrowded scene. It is being too crowded, so there's unable to be a clean, unhealthy, and a healthy environment. Being the gateway to the city, it fails in providing a clean, hygienic environment and easy, accessible, user-friendly transportation system. The freight transport made is possible only through roadways. So the objectives of our project is to collect the data, to provide efficient mode of transport to the local community people by questionnaire, to identify the traffic volume counts using origin and destination survey, and proposing a new integrated transport hub with airport, bus, and rail freight terminal. So going into the next chapter, transportation hub. A transportation hub, also known as transport interchange, is a place where passengers and cargo are exchanged between vehicles or between transport modes. Public transport hubs include train stations, rapid transit stations, bus stops, tram stops, airports, and ferry slips. Freight hubs include classification yards, seaports, and truck terminals, or a combination of these. For private transport, the parking lot functions as a hub. So the land availability for the project, we have been seeing the pictures of the current airport location. The right one showing the gate of the airport, but it's just only having an office where a senior engineer is there. And the left side picture, we can see the empty area of the airport where the our project plan can be proposed in the place having unutilized spaces. So the methodology, we are following quantitative methods having literatures and methods of data collection. The literatures include books, journal, internet, and the data collection includes traffic volume count, origin and destination survey, and questionnaire survey. And from them both, the data is analyzed and the results and conclusions have been found out. So going to the literature review, these authors have been proposing to the summary that it refer the land use study, soil map study, and then questionnaire survey, origin and destination survey, which is to be conducted from which resource can be driven. Traffic volume count is to be taken in the road near the site, and from the result analysis, the location of the bus station, entry and exit of the terminal building is located. From the literatures, the airport terminal characteristics, specifications, space requirements, runway orientation design, bus station design, railway freight terminal location, railroad analysis should be done. So the site study, and the last one is base map of India, where Vellore is located in the southern part of the, South India. And going to the base map of Vellore, we can see the Vellore city's location, which is in the center of the city. So the block map of Vellore consisting of 9 blocks, and the road maps ranging from NS4, NS230 for Chennai to Bangalore, and other roads have been mentioned. So the data collection and analysis is the service that we have done of these three. It is the site study our railway station, bus stand, and AH45 highways. The following observations are made. So in this, the age group which mode of transport used is studied, where 19 to 30 years of age people prefer private transport, where above 50 aged people prefer bus transport, that is public transport, which serves as a more important one. And considering the profession with transport mode preferred graph, a total of many of them are using public transports, but many of the entrepreneurs prefer air transport. But as it is not possible in Vellore, they are currently reaching to Chennai, and from Chennai International Terminal they are proceeding their travels, which is a bit uncomfortable one. And going into the percentage of passengers origination, many people are originating from Katpadi and Valajapet, and they are proceeding to places like Chennai, Bangalore, and other parts where the movement in AH45 is being a predominant one. So from the traffic volume count, we are finding that 531 passengers, 5 vehicles per hour was obtained per hour, showing the density and PC values were found. And the design of the bus station having 3 bus bays, each of 12-meter width, and the bus station made of bitumen roads having rainwater drainage features, having a total length of 46 meter across 5 meter, and the roof is tinted barrel vaulted roof connected to the foundation by steel columns. This is the design of the bus station, and also the silent features have been mentioned of some 47 meter of length and 6 meter of breadth, and the column spacing of 10 meter, column spacing along the breadth of 3 meter, and the plinth area can be of 282 square meter. So this is the bus station that we have taken into our consideration, having the roof and other column beam connections as given there. So the airport terminal area is split up, the arrival and departure area have been split up, and where the blue is indicated by the departure side passengers, and arriving side is mentioned by the green one, and the other legends are given on the left side. So a total gross area of 15,640 square feet is obtained, and this is the image that we have taken into our consideration for our design, which is very aesthetic important, and which of good range. So the rail freight terminal, it should be used for loading and unloading purpose. The railway siding having a branch line from Chennai Thiruvannamalai main line, it behaves as a siding. The handling of 45 consignments per hour can be done, and also security checks is very important in this entry or exits. These are the pictures that we have taken into for our design purposes, and what it looks like if it is into proposals. So this is the outcome of a model consisting of airport terminal, car parking, bus station, and the rail freight terminals. So all have been made under our designed values and other considerations. So we can conclude that transporter provides an efficient mode of transport for goods and service to the local community people and to the interstate development. This gives high rate of economic growth to the Vellore city and to the country. It has several advantages to the public and industrial sector for this growth, and it leads to the employment opportunities to the people. Thank you. So it's